XRP is the best performer of the last day. XRP finally won the lawsuit against the SEC, and since this bullish news, XRP was pumping over 30%. In this video, I will talk about XRP and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily analysis for Bitcoin, XRP and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So if we look at the crypto market, XRP is pumping about over 20% while most of the altcoins are correcting to the downside. Because yesterday we got this breaking news that XRP finally won the security laws against the SEC, and now XRP just have to pay $125 million instead of $2 billion, and the whole XRP community waited over 4 years finally for this result. And as you can see, after this bullish news, we got this very bullish pump. And if you're looking deeper in XRP, you can see that we got some liquidations. But of course, if people got short here in the market and this bullish news came, then of course we got some short liquidations. Then it's very interesting. We got some spot volume coming, especially in the hour of the news. But then we didn't saw really high spot volume. We saw some, but not the biggest one. And simultaneously, we got this open interest going up. So the leverage positions are in the market because we are going sideways right now. And the open interest is slightly going up. And we don't get too much spot volume, which is not very good because we want for a sustainable pump that the spot volume is going to the upside. Because if we want to reach this next bullish price targets, we have to get much spot volume, because if just leverage positions are in the market, then the chance is not that high that we get this high price targets. We need spot volume. But if we're looking at the technicals, you can see that XRP perfectly bounced at this demand zone right here. We perfectly took liquidity, which was laying under this lows right here. We also respected this last demand zone and directly saw this bullish pump, which was a really good sign. And from this demand zone, we saw this pump into this supply zone, then this retracement back. And here we perfectly retested this last bullish demand zone and got this bullish news here and pumped to the upside. But I personally expected an even bigger pump because the XRP community is waiting over 4 years for this lawsuit to win for XRP against the SEC. And we just saw a pump about 20 or 30%. I expected an even bigger pump. Now it's very important that we are breaking this last supply zone to the upside, retesting it, and then going to the upside to the next price target of 73 cents. And if we're also breaking this one, then we are coming into this supply zone with the next potential price target of 90 to 95 cents. And if we are finally breaking this supply zone, which was the start of this 2-year range right here, then the next interesting price target is this high, and of course this high at nearly $2. So as I said, now it's very important that we are also seeing more spot volume, that much people are coming into the market, because also the chance is high that the circulating supply is increasing even more, because we just have 56% circulating supply. So this is the supply of all the XRP coins which are out of the market. And if the supply is going to the upside and if the demand and buying power is staying the same, then the price will drop, or the demand and buying power has to increase immensely, so the price will rise. So I think this is very important to have a look at, because now XRP can also, because they won the lawsuit, increase the total supply of XRP, and then the price will dump a bit. So now it's important, as I said, that we are getting much buying power, especially spot volume, and then we have this next potential price targets. And in the last video on XRP, I also said that we are getting an explosion, and as you can see, we saw this explosion, and of course these are really good news, and I think the chances are high that we can see even higher prices. But as I said, I would have a look at the spot volume and at the circulating supply. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.